Hello, and thank you so much for joining us today in what has so far been an incredibly informative and captivating morning. I also want to thank Brookside Gardens for allowing Pleasant Run Nursery to sponsor the GreenScapes Symposium for the second year in a row. My name is Kate Irvine. I'm the creative director as well as the inventory and shipping manager at Pleasant Run Nursery here in Allentown, New Jersey, which is located in central New Jersey, and yes, that exists. We are a fully containerized wholesale nursery specializing in deciduous shade trees, ornamental and native woody shrubs, ferns, vines, perennials, and grasses. For 26 years, our commitment to and passion not only for plants, but for the habitats they create and the fauna they foster has been our number one goal and the inspiration behind our daily processes. Pleasant Run began in 1998, the horticultural brainchild of Richard and Heidi Hesseline. What began as a small, 9-house growing operation to produce rare, hard to find, and garden-worthy selections has grown to facilitate 95-plus greenhouses, a semi-automated potting facility, multiple stock fields, and a diverse selection of plant material, totaling 17 acres in plant production. In 2014, Pleasant Run was the first nursery to be recognized as a New Jersey sustainable business, an initiative between Rutgers University's New Jersey Small Business Development Centers, as well as the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection. Now, as Richard and Heidi's son, Carl, takes over as president of Pleasant Run, we're working on expanding our production space once again to include a pot and pot field, incorporating more mid-Atlantic natives and climate-conscious selections into our lineup, and offering contract growing services to help fit large, specific job sites and installations. We've also ramped up our sustainability practices, from waste reuse and recycling to energy efficiency and renewability. Our various bioswales and rain gardens located around the nursery assist not only in stormwater management, but also provide critical habitats for songbirds, pollinators, beneficial insects, and small mammals alike. This year, we're excited to reintroduce the 2024 Perennial Plant of the Year, Phlox paniculata gina, a powdery mildew-resistant variety of hot pink flowering garden phlox that swallowtail butterflies go absolutely crazy for. We're also pleased to offer other native selections, such as Clematis virginiana, a beautiful deciduous vine with delicately fragrant white blooms that encourage pollinator activity that looks beautiful scrambling along a fence line, and Rosa palustris, a native wet-tolerant shrub that performs well in standing water. It also similarly produces beautiful fragrance blooms of a light pink color that are beloved by bees and butterflies, then are followed by cherry red rose hips that many bird species enjoy. Make sure to check out our online availability for our full native plant offerings, as well as all of our new 2024 plants. We encourage you to please visit our website and check out not only our availability, but the helpful plant resources that we have available for your use. We are constantly working to update and improve our internet presence, which includes the addition of a brand new, responsive website that we are very excited to release. Here, you'll be able to create your very own project plant list for customers, easily place reorders from your order history with a click of a button, and request notifications for the release of plants that are not yet available. Keep an eye out for this upcoming change, which is happening very soon, and have a blast navigating our new user-friendly interface. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of our adventure into sustainable and nature-oriented gardening. Thank you so much.